Hello everyone and welcome. I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. Okay, so in the last video I have taught you all the basics which are required to start linear inequations chapter. Although it is considered as an easy chapter, but still I will tell you to practice it as much as you can because it is a very important chapter and you get few questions in your boards. So this is the second video of linear inequations, and in this particular video I am going to teach you how you will be able to solve the questions which contain two conditions. Okay, I am sure that you might have seen some of the questions which contain two conditions. Okay, and along with it I am also going to show you that how you will be able to represent that in the number line. And in this particular video I am mainly focused on the number lines in which x belongs to whole number, natural number and integers. Okay, so let's start. Now the first thing which you must be absolutely clear is about that if you want to draw a number line for whole number system or natural number system or an integer, that three have the same type of number system representation. Okay, what I told, that suppose there is an value which is belongs to whole number or something which belongs to natural number or even an integer, the process of representing them in a number line is always same. See what am I talking about through an example. Suppose we have been given this condition that x is greater than 0 but is less than 4, and now I give you that from here x belongs to whole number. X belongs to whole number. So according to this condition, first of all the solution set for x would be what? 1, 2 and 3. So if I give you that x belongs to whole number and now I would ask you to represent it on a number line, then you just need to make thick dots. Okay, thick dots where the values corresponded. Means what are the values of x? 1, 2 and 3. So I would just need to make thick dots here. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. Okay. So now let me give another question. Now x belongs to something natural. Now if x belongs to natural and now if I will ask you to draw it on a number line, the same thing is the answer. The same thing is the answer, means you again need to make thick dots here, and that is same. And also if you get something like x belongs to an integer, then also you need to make these three thick dots only. But this rule changes when we talk about real numbers, for which I will make another video. Okay, so this, if you get integer, whole number or natural number, the process of representing them on a number line is same. Okay, I hope that you are understanding it. See, I am basically going to take two examples. Okay, two questions as an example, and then along with the explanation for how it is going to be solved, I am also going to explain how you can draw the graph or the number line for it. Okay, so let's see. This is the first question. The first question is here. It says first of all the inequation is like this: 3 upon 5x minus 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is greater than 1, where x belongs to whole number, and we need to find the solution set for this question. And the second question is that draw the number line if possible. So let's see how we are going to solve the first question. So the first question is, we need to find out the solution set. What is a solution set? A set which will contain the values which we will get from here. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this. That means 5 minus x will be greater than 15, and if I transform this x this side, 5 minus 15, I am bringing this 15 here and making this x to go there, so there won't be any changes in the sign because I am not multiplying or dividing by any negative number. I have already cleared in the last video that if you divide or multiplied by any negative number, then only the sign changes. But if you want more details, more examples, then you can definitely watch that video. Okay, the link is always provided in the description box, or you can find it now in the iCard also. So from here, upon the solution, we get that 5 minus 15 means minus 10 is greater than x, or we can say that x is less than minus 10. So based upon the solution, we have got that x is less than minus 10. Now the first question, what is going to the solution set? What is going to the solution set for this question? So for the solution set, first thing is to see that x belongs to which type of number system. X belongs to whole number system, and I think that whole number system starts with 0 and it does not contain any negative value, because according to this condition x is less than minus 10. So what are the numbers which are less than minus 10? Obviously minus 11, minus 12, because in negative it goes opposite. So minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 are the values which are for here. So for this question there is not going to be any solution set, but we need to give some answer. So our answer for the first question would be 5. This 5, this is known as what? 5. So this 5 represents that there is no solution set or there is no element in the set. Okay, obviously you might have learned set in class 7 or 8. So what we did there, if there was no element in the set, it was considered as 5. So the first answer is, the solution set is not there, so the answer is 5. Now how we are able to, how can we draw the number line if there is no solution only? So we are not going to draw any number line for this because we do not have any such values for x. Okay, so I think you must have seen how we will solve. Okay, so the procedure is quite simple, as you have already done is linear equations. Okay, if you have learned linear equations, so the process is quite similar to that. Okay, but wait, suppose I make few changes in the question, like if the condition that will be same, x would be less than minus 10, the process solving them would be exactly same, but now I give you that x now belongs to natural number. Previously it belonged to whole number, but now it belongs to natural number. Now tell me, is the solution set possible? Is the solution set possible? No, absolutely not. Because even now we know that natural number is something which starts with 1 and it is still not matching the condition which we have got here. So in the case of natural number also we are unable to get any solution set. So for this also we will get the answer as 5. But wait, there is one more condition which is still left. What if I tell you that x belongs to integer, and integer is something which has negative value also, 0 also, and also positive numbers also. Now tell me, if I tell you that x belongs to integer, now is the solution set possible? Yes, now it is possible, because now it can hold the x values. So now the solution set would become for x belonging to integer, we will have what values, like minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, and so on and so on. Okay, so when I have changed the condition that now x belongs to integer, and so now from now it is having some values, as you can clearly see. So this is the solution set for this. And now what if I want to draw it on a number line? We need to do nothing but simply see here. We already know that we are going to have some negative number only. So let me take all these values, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, and okay. So to represent it, we will use thick dots, as I have told you in the beginning. So what are the values? Minus 11, because x is less than minus 10, so definitely it cannot hold minus 10. So we will start with minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, and so on. So for showing so on, we can use this sign. Okay, this denotes that it will continue till infinity. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding what am I trying to say. If the conditions are changed, then we draw the number line or the solution set accordingly. So this is the question which involves two conditions at one time. You can clearly see that here is one condition and here is another inequality sign. So basically it is a combination of two conditions at a time, and I am going to show you that how you can solve these type of question with very ease. See here, what is the procedure? The first thing is that find out one of the conditions. Means, see, I think you can clearly see this line. This from here to here, it makes up the first condition. Okay, so take out this and keep it here. I just kept it here. Okay, now what is going to the second condition? This is going to the second condition. Oh, sorry. 4. So this is going to the second condition. And so what you need to do, you need to take this and place it here. Okay, and now solve both of them, and from here you will get a condition following these conditions. Okay, now see the explanation for this question. I took this part and have solved this here. Pause this video and see the solution. I think it would be very clear. Okay, so I have not done anything very advanced. I just took this and solved this to get the value of x. Just here I have transferred this minus 5 by 2 to this side, solve this to taking the LCM, and I got the value of x as minus 15. X is less than 15 by 4. So this is the first condition which I have got. Now from here I will get the second condition by solving it. So see how have I solved it. So first of all, I transferred this 2x to this side and solve this. So what I got is that minus 2x divided by 3 is less than equals to 4 by 3. Now see how the remaining will be done. It is very important question. So minus 2x divided by 3 is less than equals to 4 upon 3. So first of all 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Okay, so what I have been left with is minus 2x less than equals to 4. Now I want to make this area only x and nothing else, so that I can get a condition. So for that I am going to divide both sides by minus 2. So what I am going to do is divide both sides by minus 2, so that this minus 2 and this minus 2 gets cancelled and we are only left with x. But wait, will the sign change now? Yes, of course the sign is going to change, because now I have divided this number by a negative number. So at last what I am going to get, x, this sign will get reversed, means it will get greater than equals to, and this we will get as minus 2. So we are left with two conditions. The first condition is here that x is less than 15 by 4, and the second condition is x is greater than minus 2. So let me write both of them collectively here, that minus 2 is less than equals to x and x is less than equals to 15 by 4. Okay, so we are left with this condition, and now I have to plot this on the number line and see how am I going to solve this. First we should know that x belongs to which type of number system. Then we have been given that x belongs to whole number, or if it had been given any type of other number system, I hope that you will be able to solve them. Okay, so x belongs to whole number system. So what are the values which I am going to get from here for x? Obviously not the minus values, because x belongs to whole number. This you need to keep in mind. Okay, because it belongs to a whole number system, so it will not accept any negative value. So x is less than or equals to minus 2. So 0 we will get, 1 we are going to get, 2 also we are going to get, and this 15 by 4, if I convert into decimal, we will get something like 3.75. Okay, so 3 also we are going to get, but not 4. Okay, so this is going to be the solution for x, and how we will able to represent it on the solution number line like this. See here, take any random value, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and as because it belongs to a whole number system, so to represent the values on the number line, we just need to put thick dots there. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. This is the solution for the number line, and this is the whole solution which we have did now. Okay, so that's it for today. I gave you the basic things to draw number line if the value of x belongs to whole number system, natural number, or even an integer. So I hope that you might have been clear by now that how you can draw various types of number system on the number line, and also the most important thing, that how you will be able to solve the question which contain two conditions at a time. I hope that is also clear. Okay, so in the next video I would be coming up with real number, and I would be showing you that how we can draw real number on the number line. Okay, and some good questions along with it. So meet you in the next video, and for now, thank you for watching.